What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'll be the one I was meant.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Everything's alright when I see you smile.
Di na bale kung ako'y nasaktan noon, bumawi naman sa'kin ang pagkakataon.